Improvement his appearance advice for makeup around how to improve beauty, the individual natural, and improvement his appearance. A lot from women is characterized by with fun when to intervene to divide cosmetics beautification. In a store multi-sections they search and all offered as for to buy, or for love for reconnaissance, oh maybe return to buy in time later. Where prepare makeup Sunday the things that it was completed her education from before women, since her childhood almost, which need to apply it until be truly beautiful. Because he part from style, education, and appearance the girl the wonderful, that you wish always. And it offers all something, starting from channels the shopping household, and even release the last from, advice for makeup around how to improve beauty, the individual the natural. And he is to choose brand commercial that he should that. He uses it the person in order difficult extremely, but maybe for one that he learns more from the details around beauty and products beautification. Better products cosmetics beautification to fit pattern life modern. And appearance, so the person. Cosmetics beautification, she more from merely makeup. Which includes salts bathing and lotions the body and colors the hair, and remover smells the stench, and sprays the hair, and creams care with skin and perfumes, and others a lot. Basically any type for materials used to promote beauty or protection skin and the skin. That it industry in billions dollars continue in the growth on foot, and a leg all general. If I said word cosmetics beautification, you'll he connects her most the people pads makeup. But as see, it is covers any something he uses at the people on their skin or their nails or on their hair. There are companies multiple nationalities and sites on internet. Progress also elements. Amazing for those whose they need to elements from yard cosmetics beautification and care with health and beauty. To provide service better for consumers. Also family with solution daily, starting from how dealing with teenager faces date of all yet. And even dealing with administration family busy, until last companies leading in world. Believes a lot from the people cosmetics beautification, which that this is amazing company dedicated for women, just with that in the truth, that this is amazing company was built from before man.